Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to update Google Chrome in laptop. So let's get started. First of all, let's just open up Google Chrome right away. From here, I will select any of my accounts. After that, you need to go to the three dots on the top right side. Then go to Help and About Chrome. So as you can see, we have nearly up-to-date relaunch to finish updating. If you select this option like relaunch, it will update the Google Chrome. So first you need to go to the three dots, then setting, then help, then you will find this option. All right. If you have any update, then you will find the relaunch option, or you will see the file has been downloading. So I have this relaunch option, so I will tap on that and it will update my Google Chrome. And as you can see, now my Google Chrome is updated and the version is now showing. So that's how you can update your Google Chrome. So thank you so much. Have a great day.